Hey, we just finished rebuilding and restoring a tilt steering lever for our 56 Bel Air, and the last thing I had to do were the levers, and I didn't like the levers that were available, so I'll show you what I did to adapt a turn lever into a tilt column lever. This is going to be short and sweet, so if you're interested in seeing this, stay tuned. Good morning and happy holiday weekend from Bill at Restoring Christine. Got a quick little video we're going to do today. Didn't want to leave this weekend without any content. So I had one little small thing and said, you know what, maybe that's going to be worthy. So check this out. The last two episodes I've been rebuilding this steering column, and one of my issues is that this is Christine's a 1956 Bel Air, which didn't come with factory tilt steering, but then they make aftermarket tilt steering columns for them. So Christine, as a period hot rod, I don't want any billet on Christine. So I'm trying to undo some of the billet that has accumulated on her since she's been restored previously. And so I had an issue with trying to find levers that I liked for my steering column, but I got a solution. Check this out. So the original levers that came with this steering column are this teardrop shape, but they're brushed aluminum. In fact, this one is even a tube. It's hollow. That's the blinker shaft, and then the tilt lever is here. These two look the same, and they're on when they go in the column, they're right next to one another, so they look like a matched pair, but it's not the style that I want. So when you go to 1956, they make the reproduction. Dan Chuck makes a reproduction. This is about 20 bucks for a turn lever. So this turn indicator lever, they make these are 20 bucks, but they don't make, that I can find, a tilt lever that looks like that. So we're gonna make one. I bought two of these, and this is nothing more than a quarter-inch shaft, quarter by 28 national fine thread. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cut one of these to length. I'm going to use this die, and I'm going to cut threads into it, and we're going to put it in a steering column and get it done. So let's get after it. All right, I've got the blinker turn lever in my vise, and I've marked it to length, so that's the length here. I need to cut it right there. I'm going to use my cutoff wheel and just lop that off. Got to put a little more of a bevel on the edge so that the die will bite. So I got a piece of rubber here that when I put it in my vise, that way I don't mar the finish. Make sure I get the plastic tip below the bottom of the vise there, so I don't scratch it. Tighten that. Let's see if we can't get the die to bite now. There we go. Feels like it. It's turning the shaft. Tighten that. Slow going, but it's cutting. Yeah, it's cutting. It's bit into it now. Let's see if I can get you a better angle. Oops, up in there. Slow turning. I go to where I've got about 1/16 or so sticking out. About like that. Yeah, that's gonna work. Shoot, yeah. Let's take a look at those threads. Focus. There they are. Pretty. Alright, so let's see how it works. Right in here, there's that tilt part, like a glove. It's going in just fine. A little snug, but yep, that'll do it. That's in there. Haha, that looks great. Let's do the turn lever now. It's got a little spot, goes right here. A little screw that goes in, held in with a Phillips. It's a shame you have to have the steering column taken apart to this degree in order to get to it, but you do. And there's the screw. Tighten that up. And there you have it. Check it out. The blinker works, and the tilt works. It's loaded with a spring. Yep. There you go. 2 thumbs up. One last little thing is, if you watched the previous videos, I was concerned about this wire loom, this harness. I made a cover to go over it. So just folded a piece of 20 gauge metal. It's going to go over there. It's going to screw onto that. I'm going to get that done next. But I'm going to stop right here. So there you have it, man. It's hot in this garage. So I took that turn lever and made it into a tilt column lever. I think that looks great. And that's going to do it. So hope you enjoy your holiday weekend this weekend. And if you see this later on, hope you enjoy whatever day you're having. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you join the channel, I'd love a subscription. Until I see you next time, take care of yourself. Cheers.